This is Uncle Jake. Irrevocable trust with a holding company LLC, 65%, plus a trading LLC with 35%, with price appreciation of $1,000 value, runs multiples of lifetime gift tax allowance, and creative mitigation, reduce liability, tax liability for trading LLC. I think so, and the way that I think you're going to be able to do that, maybe through a couple means. I'm hopeful, just like everybody else, that we get no capital gains on crypto for domestic digital assets. The only thing that's a domestic digital asset, in my opinion, is Ripple and XRP. They're the only company that stayed here onshore the whole time while Project Choke Point was going on, and they were in the lawsuit with the SEC, obviously. So will that apply to other digital assets? Again, hopeful that that's the case. But irrespective, that would be one way that you're allowed to mitigate those taxes in a trading LLC. You can also elect that these are commodities, and so there's a different tax regime that's applied to commodities trading versus equities or other securities or capital assets, which is what most people consider crypto. So I would highly recommend, speaking with your CPA and looking at designating what you're trading as a commodity versus capital asset. The other way that you could mitigate taxes on the trading corporation, you would probably want to incorporate language in there to be able to convert crypto to real estate. The way that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have structured this, it looks like there's a possibility that if you're trading crypto for real estate, there won't be tax implications, or they're deferred, kind of like a 1030. So, there's a couple different means by which you'd be able to do that. You could write off subscriptions to all of those things, or education, or travel to events where you're learning about that stuff. Buying, again, unless there's provisions in your operating agreement that allow you to do so, the purchase of real estate would be outside of your business operations. So I'd work with a good estate planner and tax attorney, and possibly facilitate, adding that to your operating agreement in the trading LLC.